So my list has about 12 to 15 organizations, starting from the ones who pay 30k up to the ones who pay more than 100k per month to NYSC Corpers in Lagos, Nigeria. Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Redola BC. If you're here for the first time, I would need you to smash that subscribe button, okay? It really helps my channel to grow. Alright, so today we're going to talk about the best PPAs in Lagos, Nigeria. We all know that not a lot of companies like to pay interns, whether you're an undergraduate intern or an NYSC intern. Not a lot of companies will actually want to pay you apart from the money the government is actually going to pay you. So I've taken the liberty to curate a list of about 12 companies that pay very well in Lagos. So I'm going to rank it from the lowest to the highest. Of course, there are some companies that will not make this list because I cannot know all the companies, but I've curated this list to include the most popular or the most sought after companies in Lagos. Alright, so before I dive into the list, there are 3 things for you to note. Number 1, all this information was sourced from the internet. Number 2, it's also very important for you to note that money is not the only thing to look for when you're trying to consider a place to work or a place to serve. It's also very important for you to consider factors like learning and development opportunities. Is there an opportunity for you to be retained after service? You also have to consider the organizational culture and career progression within the organization. So these are different factors that you may want to consider. So my list has about 12 to 15 organizations, starting from the ones who pay 30k up to the ones who pay more than 100k per month to NYSC Corpers in Lagos, Nigeria. So the 10th organization on my list is USC. It's a fast-moving consumer goods. The ones who produce gala, they produce table water and a lot of fast-moving consumer goods like that. So they pay 30,000 naira to the corpers that are posted to their organization. Number 10, we have USC. Number 9, we have Nigerian breweries. Nigerian breweries also pay 30,000 naira per month to their core members. Moving on, we have Ikeja Electric. Ikeja Electric also pays 35,000 naira to their core members. So I see the progression, 30,000 naira. I started from 30,000 naira, so which means that I'm going on, the money is increasing, right? So after Ikeja Electric, I have Guinness. Guinness pays 36,000 naira per month to their youth corpers. So after Guinness, I have Huawei. Huawei pays 39,000 naira to their youth corpers. After Huawei, I have Pan Atlantic University. They pay 40,000 naira per month to their youth corpers. Then we also have Nestle, which also pays the same amount as PAU, which is also 40,000 naira per month. After that, we have Name Insurance. Name Insurance is an insurance company. They also pay 45,000 naira to their youth corpers. Alongside Name Insurance, we have IPNX Nigeria. IPNX Nigeria also pays 45,000 naira to their youth corpers, the same as Name Insurance. Then moving on, we have Bank of Industry. Bank of Industry pays 50,000 naira to their youth corpers. Then alongside Bank of Industry, we have Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. They also pay 50,000 naira. So these 2 banks pay 50,000 naira. After these 2 banks, we have ARM Investment. ARM Investment is, I think, an insurance and pensions management fund, right? They pay 60,000 naira per month to their youth corpers. Alongside ARM Investments, we also have Certification Edge. Certification Edge also pay 60,000 naira to their corpers per month. After ARM Investment and Certification Edge, we have Interswitch. Interswitch pays 83,000 naira to their corpers per month. So I've listed 13 organizations now. The last organization on my list are the big 4, which is KPMG, PwC, EY and Deloitte. These 4 organizations, none of them pay less than 60,000 naira, and some of them pay more than 100,000 naira. I believe that PwC pays 120,000 naira to their core members. KPMG pays 75,000 naira to their core members. EY and Deloitte, I'm not exactly sure. As I mentioned on earlier, there are a lot of organizations that still pay just as much as these organizations I've mentioned. There are some startups who pay you more than 100k as a youth corper, or there are some private organizations who pay you 100k or less or more as a youth corper. But of course, I can't mention all of these organizations. I mentioned the most popular ones, or the most sought after ones, or the ones who recruit the most number of corpers, right? So there will be a part 2 of this video next week, and it's going to include other organizations in Lagos that pay about 50k and above to their core members. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below.